Allahumma barik wa salli wa sallim nahmadu wa nusalli ala rasulil karim amma ba. Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu says, I said, "O Rasulullah, give me some advice." Rasulullah SAW said, "Develop fear of Allah in your heart, because this is the root of all virtuous deeds." I said, "Give me more advice." He said, "Stick to the reading of the Quran, because it is nur for you in this life and the provision for the akhirah." Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu says, I said, "O Rasulullah, give me some advice." Nabi SAW said, "Develop fear of Allah Ta'ala in your heart, because this is the root of all virtuous deeds." I said, "Give me more advice." He said, "Stick to the reading of the Quran, because it is nur for you in this life and provision for the akhirah." The fear of Allah Ta'ala is the root of all good actions. A man whose heart is filled with fear of Allah Ta'ala does neither commit any sin nor experience any difficulty. وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ. Whoever fears Allah, Allah will make a way for him out of every difficulty and provide sustenance for him from whence he has no expectation. Surah Al-Talaq ayat 2 to 3. Abu Zar radiyallahu an in the hadith goes on to say that he asked for more advice. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised that he should develop fear of Allah Ta'ala, because it is the root and the basis of all spiritual actions. Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu then begged for more advice. Nabi SAW said, "Be consistent in reading the Quran and remembrance of Allah Ta'ala, because it is nur in this world and treasure in the heavens." Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu sought further advice and was told, "Abstain from too much of laughter, because it causes the heart to wither and the face loses its lustre. Too much of laughter is injurious, both for the outward and inward disposition of man." Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu sought further advice, whereupon Nabi SAW said, "Stick to jihad, because it is the Rabbaniyah monotheism of my ummah." Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu asked for more advice, and Rasulullah SAW said, "Associate yourself with the poor and the needy, be friendly with them and sit in their company." When Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu requested further advice, Nabi SAW said, "Look towards those who rank below you, so that you may get used to being thankful, and do not look at those who rank above you, lest you should despise the favors of Allah Ta'ala upon you." When Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu again asked for more advice, Nabi SAW said, "Let your own faults prevent you from criticizing others, and do not try to find fault with others, because you commit those faults yourself. It is enough to prove you at fault, that you should find in others such faults as you yourself possess, though you may not be aware of them, that you should find in others some misdeeds as you yourself commit." After this, Nabi SAW patted the chest of Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu with his loving hand and said, "O Abu Zar, there is no wisdom better than prudence, nor any piety is better than refraining from the unlawful, nor any nobility is better than polite manners." In stating the context of this long hadith, the gist of the meaning has been kept in view, in preference to the literal translation. May Allah give us taufiq to put all this into practice and convey to others. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma bihamdika, asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun al mursalin, alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Taqabbalallah.